Welcome back to the channel. Now, as the title suggests, we have multiple topics to talk about. Now, some are saying that the increased security presence also downtown is because people are expecting a gathering after Vybz Kartel is released. Now, the hearing that is taking place is to determine whether Vybz Kartel should be behind the bars, seeing that there are no convictions at the moment, and his attorneys want him released until the Court of Appeal start the process of deciding whether or not they will be retrying Vybz Kartel or not retrying Vybz Kartel. Now, Mark Golding has also stepped forward to clear his name and also put forward some very interesting information. Of course, I'm not going to hear what I want, and they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen. Now, of course, that was a scene from downtown Kingston, the courthouse where Vybz Kartel's case will be heard. And we're not sure if Vybz Kartel and other co-accused will be showing up in person to hear this decision from the court. I don't know if that's what I mean an immediate release. I don't know if that's what I mean say they're going to walk in and then can just walk out and leave with family members. Of course, we're going to hear from attorneys representing both Vybz Kartel and the other co-accused in a few minutes. Maybe we're going to hear from them even before that video gets published. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Do you think Vybz Kartel should be released? Seeing that at the moment, there are no convictions against him. And there's no clear reason why he's currently behind the bars. And of course, on to the other stories that are currently making headlines today.
This is Mark Golding, President of the People's National Party and Leader of the Opposition. I was born in Jamaica. I grew in Jamaica. I have only ever worked in Jamaica, and I'm not leaving Jamaica, land we love. And I can tell you, I am not one of the illicit six, and my statutory declarations to the Integrity Commission have been certified and published for all years through to and including 2022, and my declaration for 2023 was filed in time by the March deadline in accordance with the law. God bless you all.
Now, of course, that was Mark Golding pointing out that he was born and raised on the Jamaican island and has only ever been employed on the Jamaican island. So if he's born and raised on the Jamaican island and the only place he ever work, clearly he's a Jamaican. And he's saying to Jamaican voters, don't be distracted. IC report and the IC committee, Integrity Commission, them say them ready for release the name then. Them say them ready now to tell the people them what are going. I don't know if that means the investigations are over and they have found the evidence. We did the PNP in recent days. I said, them already hear who. And them say them hear who because the JLP already know who. Now this is all hearsay, speculation. I think Mr. Data was only using the fact that Mr. Vaz had said the way he got the information was because he heard it from people at the opposition party. So I guess Mr. Dayton was only pointing out that he might talk to people from the government party too. He will say my point out say them a give him information and them a talk to him too. And in recent days, the PNP pointed out that undated letters were signed and that these were things used by the government to keep certain members of the party in check. For no say, yo, if them go against the status quo, there will be, situation. Some people say this is also proof that the government is worried and the government believe that the opposition will be winning the next general election. And that while some people that say, why them now focus on telling the people all of the good what the party I do and how the party has made Jamaica better, they believe that this is falling on deaf ears. The people are so fed up and frustrated because some of the things that the government has said them do and that have been done for true, it not have a trickle-down effect. It not have no trickle-down effect. Means that when people hear the economy are the good and them still make the same money, them now see the good economy way the government are talking about. That's why when the opposition say it's almost like the government delusional. People are saying true. People are saying it's almost like the government now say what we are saying and what them are saying are two different things. While them are saying them are do it for the people. So all you have to do it for the people and the people are on the same page. It almost sounds like it's impossible. Or if you have to do something for somebody and you're never on the same page. Some people that say it's almost like the government is treating the nation as children. Saying that them basically don't know what's good for them. And that they, the leaders of the country, they know what is good for them. Some people say want the transparency, what the government always talk about. How come all of a sudden not transparent again? I just them know. Then if the information was made public and everybody did know, obviously we'd have followed to the same conclusion, to the best solution. But because the people don't know, how can the people then be on the same page with the government and then the same government come out and talk about transparency and then the people come out and say, we want transparency. The government was elected off that basis. And of course the people do want transparency. Want it from both administration, from opposition and the government. We want to know what's going on. But the fact that the government said that to people, so watch now, this is the way we are going to govern. And then for now do it, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section. Do you believe that, in your point of view, the people mind are made up? The people believe that the administration in power is not focusing on the people and what the people want? Or do you believe that, no, there is still more support for the government and people are willing to support the government because of the initiatives and the policies being put in place by the government, and the people believe that with more time, the government are going to do the things them said them are going to do. As a matter of fact, the Prime Minister said, I asked the people to look into the statements being made by the opposition leader and to check if they are just empty promises. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section on 24/7, it never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now a quick recap. Heavy police presence downtown. As some say, there will be a mass gathering after Vybz Kartel is released. Mark Golden has found out and said, in born at Jamaica, the only place that ever work at Jamaica, him not say what other criteria there is to be considered as a Jamaican. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Of course, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for to live, for to love, and for to prosper, and for to stay tuned until the reason again.